Stop. That girl's gonna stop. That's gonna suck.
She's got a pom pom though.
Oh, there's another bus to plow
That
them
red
all
car doesn't
over.
have snow tires. That red car's stuck.
Stop.
Now no one can get through because it's water both.
All because the plow got stuck.
Look, he's just walking now.
That's just the rule. They can know the other bus has to back up.
I'm gonna have notes and stuff
Buddy
with me.
behind
I'll
is gonna
send you
get
my notes and send you yours, and then we'll just kind of come up with
Oh, impressive. He's in the Navy. Someone's got a uniform on.
make sure they don't come.
Oh, and that bus is back.
Like Carl.
Yeah, it's back.
Adding on a module is not gonna be that hard. Everything's gonna be feeding.
Oh,
I think the people.
He needs to just stop at the bus.
So I think if we do that, that's the 50,000.
He just needs to go back up that way.
They say it's cheaper, so it's probably somewhere.
Oh, that's good.
At 5. What I'm saying is won't double the snowstorm conversion cost.
I can't believe this red car
So maybe I'll just send an email to
tanks. It'll be in there.
today, just say.
Look, oh, can't even stop
Sally,
it.
no, go. Well, you have to hold this email. Just CC me and the first communication.
I know, but doesn't know how
And
far
go talk to
I think he
them, what we
thinks we
need
can get
to
it
do
going.
fees and stuff like that.
One of those was just about me. I just came back from the tire place. Had a flat tire this morning, and I was going
I
up,
know he's got
going
to
up
clear
Duke,
to
but I
there.
had to cut down Albemarle. I couldn't get over there.
Look
at this guy gonna try to- The guy in the black car was going to try to snake his way around.
Oh my God, this is.
Somebody used to call the cops. They needed a cop down in that intersection to stop people going up.
Oh God!
Boss is going to smoke him.
Those cars are
I think we should call non-emergency
I think somebody
services.
should call the cops. Yes.
I think they do. Actually, I'm.
He probably can't be stopped.
One on the other side too, though.
You get all the enjoyment out of it, but you're not helping.
I feel like cheering for him.
Just reset his password. Reset his password on
He's
in
gonna
there.
hate the dog.
His wife can't. He married her for a reason.
She's glad he's with him.
No, he's pissed. He's still pissed at the people stopping the bus and causing
It was the
They wouldn't have made it
plow.
anyway. They
The
don't.
plow stopped here that caused the bus to get stuck.
Oh, little salt right there. You can eat right through the overpass.
Just like,
That's because that's where
I think it was written by the same guys.
guy.
Brian's trying to roll over that application.
I'm not saying you should. I'm just saying, think about it.